My region is so unique. It's mountainous. The forest is so beautiful. It's untouched. We have so many species of trees that are yet to be explored. I am indeed a defender of the forest. I educate my people on the importance of our forest. We are facing these challenges: unemployment, lack of education, and mining. I want to let my people know that they must be strong and we must continue that fight. I communicate with nature, I communicate with my forest. How many other races have that opportunity? I am really proud to be an indigenous woman. It's a unique culture that I am in.